In today's video, I'm going to show you Newellme Happy Cleaner Review 2026. Is it scam or legit? What it is, Newellme Happy Cleaner is a superfood drink powder, commonly watermelon or berry flavor, marketed as a digestive, gut health, and wellness supplement with prebiotics, probiotics, organic fiber, and vegetable extracts. It's sold in single serve sachets meant to be mixed with water and consumed daily. Is it legit? The product itself exists, and many real users have rated it positively on third party retail platforms. Customer ratings on sites like Ubi show an average around 4.1, 4.2 out of 5, with pleasant taste, ease of use, and occasional digestive comfort mentioned by buyers. Some people report reduced bloating and slight improvements in comfort or hunger management. So, in that sense, it's not a scam that doesn't exist. People do receive and consume the product. User experience reality. It doesn't deliver dramatic magic results. Independent testers and reviewers describe it more as a hydrating, tasty superfood drink with mild digestive support than a powerful gut cleanse or weight loss solution. Effects tend to be subtle and inconsistent, working for some people on lighter bloating or hydration, but not a guaranteed health transformation. Website legitimacy. Some scam review sites checking the selling platform show a moderate trust score, around 72%, with basic details like a US address and common payment options, but also note limited customer reviews and some policy gaps, suggesting you should do your own due diligence before ordering. Bottom line, Newellme Happy Cleaner is not an outright scam. The product exists, people do use it, and many reviews are genuinely positive about taste and mild effects. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.